Sentences with water. I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
Water is essential for life.
Water is essential for life.
Can you pass me the water?
Can you pass me the water?
I need to refill my water bottle.
I need to refill my water bottle.
Water helps keep us hydrated.
Water helps keep us hydrated.
Please water the plants.
Please water the plants.
The water is very cold.
The water is very cold.
She poured water into the glass.
She poured water into the glass.
We went swimming in the water.
We went swimming in the water.
I prefer sparkling water.
I prefer sparkling water.
There is water in the pool.
There is water in the pool.
The water tastes fresh.
The water tastes fresh.
Don't waste water.
Don't waste water.
The river water is clear.
The river water is clear.
Fill the pot with water.
Fill the pot with water.
I love to watch the water flow.
I love to watch the water flow.
We need to boil the water.
We need to boil the water.
Water your garden regularly.
Water your garden regularly.
The water level is rising.
The water level is rising.
She splashed water on her face.
She splashed water on her face.
Is there enough water for everyone?
Is there enough water for everyone?
I spilled water on the table.
I spilled water on the table.
Water is vital for plants.
Water is vital for plants.
The water in the lake is beautiful.
The water in the lake is beautiful.
He likes to drink cold water.
He likes to drink cold water.
They collected rainwater for gardening.
They collected rainwater for gardening.
The water fountain is broken.
The water fountain is broken.
Water is important for cooking.
Water is important for cooking.
I added lemon to my water.
I added lemon to my water.
The children played in the water.
The children played in the water.
She filled her glass with water.
She filled her glass with water.
The water is too hot to swim.
The water is too hot to swim.
We need to conserve water.
We need to conserve water.
The water filter needs changing.
The water filter needs changing.
I prefer to drink water with ice.
I prefer to drink water with ice.
The beach has clear water.
The beach has clear water.
Water your flowers daily.
Water your flowers daily.
The water is safe to drink.
The water is safe to drink.
She filled the bathtub with water.
She filled the bathtub with water.
The kids are playing in the water.
The kids are playing in the water.
Water is crucial for hydration.
Water is crucial for hydration.
The water is rising quickly.
The water is rising quickly.
I need water for my coffee.
I need water for my coffee.
They swam in the ocean water.
They swam in the ocean water.
The water temperature is perfect.
The water temperature is perfect.
She drank a lot of water today.
She drank a lot of water today.
The water in this bottle is mine.
The water in this bottle is mine.
He splashed water on his friends.
He splashed water on his friends.
Water is my favorite drink.
Water is my favorite drink.
Let's go for a walk by the water.
Let's go for a walk by the water. Thanks.